Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN on Mac. So let's start. First of all, you need to download the VPN you want. It can either be ExpressVPN like the one that I'm using, PureVPN, NordVPN, or any other VPN out there. Today I'm going to show you how to set up VPN on Mac using ExpressVPN. So first of all, once you download it, you need to install the application. And once you install it, you start it and it will look like this. So right now, to set it up properly, click on those three dashes over here, go to Preferences, and then depending on what you want, you can either set it up to launch on startup of the system or not. Of course, that's up to you. You can set it up to automatically connect to the last used location or not. Once again, that's up to you. Now, the important aspect is network lock. Network lock means that it will stop all the internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. So if you want your traffic to always be encrypted when you're connecting to the internet, make sure to select this checkbox. If you don't really care, then of course you don't need to select it, but I would recommend it highly to have it selected at all times because this increases our security and anonymity on the internet. And the next option over here, to allow access to devices on the local network, that means if we want our device, while it's connected to the VPN, to be discoverable by other devices in the local network. So let's say you have your VPN on phone, computer, and you want to share the screen from your computer that is using VPN onto your TV, for example, that is connected to the same network. If this option is selected, you will be able to do that. If this option is not selected, you won't be able to share the screen of your laptop to your TV or your phone to your TV, etc. So that depends on your use case and if you want to do that or not. I'm gonna keep it on. And now the next thing is the protocol. So in the protocol, I would recommend choosing automatic. This is the recommended settings and it will automatically determine what is the best setting for you. But of course, if you don't want it to be automatic, you can experiment with those other options over here. The next thing is Threat Manager, so I would recommend selecting this one as well because it will block trackers and malicious sites. So this increases our security as well while we're using the internet. And if we go to Advanced, we can of course share the crash reports if we want, and we should turn on the IPv6 leak protection because that, once more time, will increase our security while we are using the VPN itself. So that's in short how we can set up ExpressVPN on Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If you don't have VPN, I recommend getting one. Check the links in the description and make sure to get one to be safe on the internet. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.